It's an animal you don't ever want to provoke. A 2-ton giant that has the capability to plow over anything in its path. Check this out. I had no idea you could get this close to a rhino. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Hey. And no, you're not seeing things. We are hand feeding one of the most often feared animals on the planet.
We think it's a pretty intimate experience with a 3,000-pound animal.
It's a 3,000-pound animal that is more likely to lick you than charge you with its powerful horn.
Get close to an animal in a safe way, that's pretty unusual. Certainly these guys, there are only 3,300 Indian rhino left in the world, and that includes captivity, so we're lucky to have them.
Lex Salisbury and Elena Shepa love their rhinos. You see, they own this unique animal park in West Central Florida, and they will be happy to take anyone to meet their rhinos face to face.
As long as they know the program. Look at him!
Guests get to pet, hand feed fruits and vegetables, and hose down these 2-ton animals. Lex believes this kind of encounter is unforgettable.
If you're able to engage with animals in a safe way, it is an emotional experience which you commit to memory. And what I'm doing is providing them something they really like, which is wash down twice a day.
Lex feels this face-to-face encounter will help save the endangered species.
The only way we're going to bring animals into the future with us is if people care, and the only way people are going to care is if they have experiences where they're taught things and they become emotional about them and care about them. And that's what this sort of experience does, you know.
Wow, this was such an amazing experience feeding the animals. It totally changed my perception of rhinos. So here are some things you might not know about rhinoceroses. There are 5 different species of rhinos. 3 are native to Asia and 2 are native to Africa. Their horns are made of protein. It's the same substance that our fingernails and hair are made of. Rhinos can't sweat, so like an elephant, it will roll in mud to stay cool and keep away the insects. The animals have specialized upper lips, capable of grasping. It helps them when feeding on shrubs. And a rhinoceros attacking a human is actually very rare, less than 2 a year. Yet poachers will kill over 1,000 rhinos every year.
I always had the misconception that a rhino was something very, very dangerous. You know, that they would charge you, that they were mean and stuff. But they are just so gentle.
It's actually pretty cool because you wouldn't think you could get so close to one before and actually pet them.
And while these animals are gentle, wild rhinos should always be left alone.
I think they have a bad rap because they don't have good eyesight, but they have excellent hearing and smell. And so if something new comes into their arena, they bow up and they do what all good rhinos do, which is think, who do I have to kill? So in the wild, certainly, I've been chased down by rhino in Africa, and those are a fast-moving animal, and there's something to be taken seriously.
So if you want the look and feel of Africa, come here. A place where animals like this will not charge at you. Instead, these rhinos will greet you.
The rhinos are located in a place known as Giraffe Ranch. The ranch is 47 acres full of many different animal species other than rhinos. It's located in Dade City, Florida. Reservations are necessary.